there, my name is Ollie from Anchor 4x4 and today I have for you the 2022 Ford Ranger. Now this one here does come with 48,000 miles on the clock, heated seats, 5 leather ones of which electric driver's seat as well. This does also come with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, satellite navigation, 2 reversing cameras, as well as a Bluetooth connectivity, an automatic transmission, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, and also low range. As you can see, we do have a nice bit of orange stitching in here to match that wild track theming of this spec of Ranger. And if we come into the back here, we do also have a 12 volt and also a 150 main watt power in there as well. Now I will just show you the bed out the back. As you can see, it hasn't got a cover on it. However, there are some tying loops to tie down any load you may want to the back here. And as you can see, even though this is a crew cab pickup truck, it is still very large, the amount of room you do get in the bed in the back of one of these things. And if you would like to find out more about this Ford Ranger, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk or anchorcars.co.uk. Both are linked in the description below if you're watching this on YouTube. However, you can also come down to our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, to discover more about this vehicle.